Kidraw.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kidraw. Today I'm drawing a house. Let's draw and paint together. First, I'm drawing a door here. Now, let's draw a window here. I'm drawing bushes here. Now let's draw a tree here. It's interesting. Please try to draw with me. We're also drawing a chimney here. Here are the clouds. Here is our moon. Let's draw another tree here. It's so beautiful. Let's color it together. Purple, pink, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, pink, light green, dark green, brown, light green, pink, blue, yellow, dark green, brown, dark green, yellow, light green, blue. Look at the beautiful house. See you in the next video.